TD Power Systems, which manufactures power generators for captive use, has shot up sharply today. The stock price, that is, on to the highest volumes that it's seen since October. This is based on news of a tie-up that the company is announcing with Siemens for the supply of higher capacity generators. We've got Ajay Sharma, who broke that story earlier in the morning. He gets us the details of that story. Ajay.
That's correct, George. The stock has reacted quite positively to the announcement which has come out. Siemens. Now, Siemens is one of their clients. There are other bigger clients such as Mitsubishi, Toshiba, even General Electric. So a lot of global capital goods majors are TD Power Systems clients. Up till now, TD Power Systems have only been manufacturing power generators up to 52 megawatt. But this technical know-how which they get from Siemens via this understanding will be able to help them to start manufacturing generators from 74 megawatt to 252 megawatt. This opens up a whole new opportunity for order flow as far as TD Power Systems is concerned. Currently, TD Power Systems has got an order book of around 830 crores odd, but we understand from analysts who track the company closely that at least 25 to 30% fillip will be given, will be seen as far as the order book is concerned due to this new segment which it opens up. However, the commercial production about this will start from 24 months from now, but it is definitely very meaningful, and they've also signed another arrangement for supplying of parts to Siemens. So analysts see it very positively that going forward the top line will see a good amount of growth.
Okay, Ajay, thanks very much for giving us that exclusive story. The stock price reacting in due course, higher by 10% as we speak. Good time as any then to bring on board the management for more clarity on this joint venture. Mr. Nikul Kumar, who is the Joint Managing Director at TD Power Systems, now joins in on the phone line from Bangalore. Thanks very much, Mr. Kumar, and congratulations on this joint venture that you've tied up with Siemens. If you could just tell us in what ratio it will be?
Actually, it's not a joint venture. It's a license agreement. So we will get technology from Siemens Germany, and we will manufacture these larger generators by ourselves in Bangalore. So it's not really a joint venture.
So right, Mr. Kumar, you said it's not a joint venture. Could you explain how this is going to work in that case?
Well, the ownership of the company will remain the same. That means Siemens is not going to take any equity stake into our company. So right now we are 65% promoter held and 26% is publicly held, and the balance is held by employees and other individuals. That ownership structure will not change in the short term, but we will get technology from Siemens immediately, and we will start quoting for these larger generators in the Indian market and abroad, and we will progressively put up manufacturing capabilities to make these larger machines. In the interim, we have the option of buying components from Germany, and which we will do until we're ready with our own facilities. We should be ready with all the manufacturing in 24 months from now. But we are already bidding larger generators in the market from today onwards.
Mr. Kumar, your current order book stands at 830 crore rupees. What is the potential and the scope of growth post this joint venture? Because analysts that we are speaking to say the order book will get a fill-up of close to 25 to 30%.
Yeah, this is a big segment, and I would say that they're somewhere close to the right figure. This is not going to happen immediately, but we are going to, as I said, we're already in the market, we're already bidding for jobs. We will see an increase in order book taking place, I guess, gradually over the next 3 months to 6 months. But they're right, it could provide a fill-up of about, I guess, 20 to 25% of the overall order book sometime next year this time.
So, Mr. Kumar, should we expect that over the next 2 to 3 years, your product offering is going to get scaled up quite a bit, and that your offerings are going to actually include higher megawatt offerings?
Right. So this is, as I said, we started offering, up to 250 right now. So since we have the agreement in place, and we have the option of buying components right away from Germany, we can just do assembly right now, for example. So we're already in the market. We're already bidding. We're already, trying to get orders to fill some capacities. So in that sense, we don't have to wait at all.
Mr. Kumar, if you could just break it down for us. Now, post this pact, what will your EPS look like for FY13 and what is the top line and bottom line estimates?
We still haven't given guidance for FY13. We will do that when we declare our results for FY12 and then we get in the earnings call in May. At that time, I'm going to give guidance for FY13.
Also, Mr. Kumar, what would you say that the order book position, the outlook for that is getting a little better going into FY13, or would you say it's still a little hazy as it was in the last financial year, as many people have said it was?
It is still a very hazy situation, and the capital goods market is still under a great deal of stress, at least for fresh order booking. I think it's, but for us, we have businesses coming in from 50 countries all over the world. We also are diversified in our product range in terms of, we cater to different verticals of the power industry, be it steam turbines, gas turbines, hydro turbines, so on and so forth. So we are expecting some growth, but it's really, really difficult to put a number on it right now. The situation is volatile, but we are expecting some growth. We're still cautiously optimistic at this point of time.
So, Mr. Kumar, just to end the conversation, if you could just tell us any other big orders that we can look forward to from TD Power Systems?
We're negotiating a large number of big orders, and everybody who's in the industry would actually know their names. I really can't give you the names out right now, but there is business in this country, and we are bidding for them. I just hope that we're able to actually get lucky and bag a few of them.
All right, so we look forward to those announcements. Thank you very much for joining us and giving us more clarity on this pact that you've signed with Siemens, where it will not take any equity stake in the company, but will get technology from Siemens with immediate effect, 25 to 30% higher for the order book within the next 3 to 6 months.